Now this illustration deals where you would have the control transformer installed inside a combination starter or maybe in a MCC, and you have 15 amp fuses on the primary side of this control transformer, and then you have a number 10 THWN copper conductor as a control circuit conductor uh, feeding the stop and start buttons. And uh, the problem occurs here. Will the 15 amp fuse protect those number 10 conductors as you see in the illustration? So what we want to do is to uh, do our math work, apply our formulas, and determine indeed if that 15 amp set of fuses could protect the secondary side of that transformer, number 10 conductors, supplying the stop and start buttons that will energize the coil. In return, will energize the power to the motor. So we want to review our illustration next to see just how this is done.